Yeah, yeah, I am showing the picture to you. That suppose this is the surface of influenza. They having the hem agglutinin. This is the hem agglutinin surface antigen and neuroaminidase antigen. And the hem agglutinin is denoted by H, and the neuroaminidase antigen is denoted by N. You have also seen some H1N1 influenza. So we are categorized upon this type of surface antigens. Okay. So virus attach to the cyclic cells receptor via the H means hemagglutinin. Viruses are attached this type of agglutins to the receptor, and the receptor are cyclic cell receptor. Now the second thing is neuroaminidase degrade the receptor and play a role in release of virus from the infected cell after replication has occurred. If the replication procedure is completed, then neuroaminidase degrade the receptor and they release its copies. Okay. Now, if body generate the antibodies in the response of this influenza, if the H antigen if the antibodies is generated in the response of H antigen, that denotes the major determinant of immunity. If antibody is generated in reference of the N antigen, that limit viral spread and contribute to reduction of the infection. So first we are clearly saying that if the H antibody is generated, that's showing our immunity. If the N antigen and N antibody is generated in response to the N antigen, that it's showing this transmission is occur, and because antigen is degrade the receptors and they replicates. Okay, got it. Now the second thing, what is the clinical manifestation means? It's what are the symptoms? The mainly the mild illness resembling the common cold. Suppose the person is having the common cold, this is the common symptoms, to the severe prostration. And these are headache, fever, chill, myalgia, and malaise, cough, and sore throat. Malaise means muscles pain. And what is the complication of the influenza? There are the two types of complications. First is the pneumonia, and the second is extrapulmonary complication. Pneumonia maybe it's are the two types. First is the primary influenza pneumonia, and the second is secondary bacterial pneumonia. Primary is the least common, and but most severe though pneumonic complication. And the second bacterial pneumonia is usually due to streptococci pneumoniae, Staphylococcus aureus, or Haemophilus influenza. So, and what is the extrapulmonary complications? Is the Ray's syndromes. It is the overdose of aspirin. Also, is the contraindications of aspirin, myositis, rhabdomyolysis or myoglobinuria, and CNS disease. CNS disease like encephalitis and myelitis. There are some disease, and so this is the complication of influenza. And what is the laboratory finding? We detect the virus by the RT-PCR and some